Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm going to continue my spring journal. I have a couple of pages today that I am going to decorate with you. I'll just put this cover away. So, first of all, I'm going to, well, 3 pages actually, because I have these two and maybe one more if there's time. I don't want to make these videos too long. So I'm going to cover the text, and I'm thinking I'll first cover this and then put this on. So, oops, there's extra writing space here. I'll give it a bit more. So that was my idea. I think I'll glue this to the paper first. There we go. There we are. And then put the paper on. Like this. So that's a nice and easy way to create more writing space. You have all this, and of course yeah, and of course this as well. And what I thought was, because obviously this would probably be a bit annoying. Let's see. There's a quick fix. Like this. Put a paper clip on. Of course you could get fancy and put ribbon behind all of it, and then you can tie it. Maybe I should have done that. I don't know. This is good. It's all good. On this one I want to cover the text. Which I will do with this little cover it with more text. Love Box and Crazy Daisies. I thought that was cute. Let's see if I can get that on straight-ish. There we are. And a little butterfly. Because we need butterflies. Like here. Whoop. wanted it to cover the text. Like that. And for this one I would just, also more writing space. Like this. Just a quick fold up here. But I thought I would only glue it on 3 sides, so it's also a pocket. I think this is coming along nicely, especially considering I don't really like pink and purple. But I'm actually quite happy with this one. I think it's going to be pretty. It's just, I've never really used pink and purple much but for some reason I'm doing it a lot at the moment. Don't know what's going on. But that's okay, we love every color, don't we? There we go. And let's see if I have... I should have... there we go. This wasn't what it was intended for, so it's a bit too big. I'm not gonna force it in there as long as the glue isn't completely dry. Let's see what we can find. There should be something in here that I can use. This one. Maybe. Oh, this, no. Let's do this one. Because it's got the lace that it's got down here, so there's a bit of continuity there. So yeah, that was quick and easy. The other one, I wanted to put this big pocket on this page because you have a lot of writing space here, so it's okay to use this page for, and you can still write here, of course. There's nothing wrong with that. So there we go. Again, nice and easy. I can show you the book I'm using because obviously you can see that it's the same theme. So is this one. Calico Collage Cut and Create. And it's called Blooming Spring. What do you know? So yeah, it's filled with tags and all sorts of things. These words and these sentences, as as you can see, I've been in here lots. There's more here. So yeah, I think this is quite pretty. So that's the book I'm using. And I think it's coming together really nice. So this was the one I was thinking of putting in here. What's going on here? Glue, of course. There we go. Just like this. And I think I'll put this little flower on as well. Or does that go up here? Yeah, I think it's better up here because then obviously you can, it's like a tab as well. Yeah, that's a bit better. See if I can get that to stick. There we go. Do you think that's enough glue there? I got a bit excited, I think. There we go. How does that look? Yeah, that's alright. That's alright. Maybe a little bit more. Like that. Yeah, that was it. A very quick one from me today, but hey, it has to be quick sometimes. I put this on yesterday. I thought this was quite fun. And I made this flower and put this tag in. Also something I did not on video. But yeah, I quite like this one. A bit fluffy. So, that was it. Sorry. No more from me today. I think I will go and relax. And I hope that you have enjoyed it, and maybe you can take some of it away and get your own ideas and your own creativity going. So, with that, I'll say goodbye, and I hope we'll see you soon again. Thank you for watching. Bye.